All right, everybody, get ready for Blast Off. Because today we are diving deep into the Bezos and Musk space race.
Ooh, yeah.
You've all been sending in some seriously cool articles
Mhm.
comparing their big plans for space.
Mm-hmm.
So I thought, why not unpack what these two tech giants are really trying to do with Blue Origin and SpaceX?
It's an amazing time to be following space exploration.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
I mean, you've got two brilliant minds, basically,
well.
each with their own totally unique vision for, like what humanity's future is going to be like beyond Earth.
Yeah.
Like Bezos, for instance, with Blue Origin.
Right.
He seemed to be playing a totally different game than, rushing off to Mars.
Oh, really?
Like he's way more focused on building a space-based economy, like right here
Yeah.
in Earth's orbit. I mean,
Yeah.
we're talking about those massive rotating space habitats.
Yeah, the ones he's been talking about.
Yeah, they're straight out of science fiction.
They really are. I mean, almost like from 2001: A Space Odyssey. But Bezos truly believes that those habitats could be like the key to a more sustainable future.
Okay.
Just imagine, if you will, heavy industry, all moved off Earth.
Wow.
It would drastically reduce pollution.
Yeah.
And then there's the potential for, vast solar energy arrays, just beaming clean power back to the planet.
Yeah, that is pretty incredible.
It is.
Okay, but is it as ambitious as Musk's Mars colonization project?
Right.
A self-sustaining colony with 1 million people?
Yeah.
I can't even wrap my head around that.
It's a staggering vision and incredibly challenging. I mean, we're talking about 7 to 9 months of travel time each way just to get there.
Wow.
Even Musk admits that Mars is like a really long game.
Yeah.
It's not about profits, at least not initially.
Yeah.
It's about making sure humanity has a future as a multiplanetary species.
And speaking of long games, like you've been following the space race for a while now.
I have.
Reusable rockets are a huge step forward. But it's fascinating how like Bezos and Musk are applying that technology in such different ways.
Completely.
I mean, Blue Origin is developing the New Glenn.
Right.
It's a 98-meter behemoth
It's a big one.
designed to be fully reusable
Yeah.
and powered by cleaner burning methane fuel.
It's true. New Glenn is an impressive feat of engineering, potentially even more powerful than SpaceX's Starship.
Wow.
And the choice of methane fuel is interesting.
Yeah.
SpaceX currently relies on kerosene for their Falcon rockets, which has a larger carbon footprint.
So Bezos is taking the lead in the sustainability department.
It's possible, though we have to consider the bigger picture.
Okay.
SpaceX already has like a decade of experience launching reusable Falcon rockets.
Wow.
They're delivering payloads to the International Space Station. They're pushing the boundaries of what's possible right now.
I remember when the first Falcon rocket landed upright.
Oh, yeah.
It felt like something out of science fiction had suddenly become reality.
Exactly. And that experience gives SpaceX a significant edge.
Hmm.
But Blue Origin is catching up.
Okay.
And their focus on sustainability could be a major advantage in the long run.
It seems like we're seeing two distinct philosophies playing out here.
Definitely.
Bezos, with his focus on a space-based economy and orbital infrastructure,
Right.
he's taking a more pragmatic, near-term approach,
Mm-hmm.
while Musk, with his Mars colony,
Yeah.
is shooting for a long-term, almost philosophical goal.
That's a great way to put it.
Right.
And it's not just about these two visionaries.
Okay.
What's truly exciting is that this new space race isn't just a billionaire boys club.
Okay.
Other companies are joining the fray, and even national space programs are making strides in reusable rocket technology.
Oh, wow.
China, for example, is investing heavily in this area.
So we're witnessing a whole new era of space exploration,
We are.
driven by both private companies and national programs.
Yeah,
It really feels like the world is taking space seriously again.
totally.
But with all the technological hurdles and astronomical costs, it makes you wonder, like, where do you think this is all headed?
It's hard to say for sure, but the potential rewards are immense.
Yeah.
I mean, we're talking about new industries,
Mhm.
new resources, and maybe even a new home for humanity.
Wow.
But there are also significant challenges to overcome, not just technological,
Right.
but also ethical and political.
So after this deep dive, what are your takeaways? Does Bezos' pragmatic approach resonate with you more? Or does Musk's Mars dream capture the true spirit of exploration?
It's not an either-or situation, is it?
That's true.
Both visions offer incredible possibilities.
Yeah.
Bezos' focus on near-Earth infrastructure could pave the way for a more sustainable future,
Right.
while Musk's Mars ambition pushes the boundaries of human ingenuity and exploration.
It's a fascinating time to be alive.
It is.
And for those listening, it's a good time to ask yourself, Where do you see the future of humanity in space?
That's a good question.
With reusable rockets becoming more commonplace, the question might not be, IF will venture further, but WHO will lead the way.
I like that.
Food for thought, everybody.
Indeed.
That's it for this deep dive. We'll see you next time.
See you later. Bye. Bye.